If you've ever opened a video in VLC and felt like the frame just doesn't look right, you're in the right place. In this video, I'm going to show you how to change the aspect ratio of a video in VLC quickly and easily so you can fit your video better on screen without needing any complicated editing software. This is a simple trick, but it can make a big difference if your video looks stretched, squashed, or doesn't match your monitor properly. If this tutorial helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick software tips just like this. Alright, let's jump into it. First, open the video that you want to watch in VLC Media Player. Once the video is loaded and playing, look at the top menu bar. You'll see several options there, and the one you need is Video. Click on Video to open its drop-down menu. From there, look for the aspect ratio option and hover over it. VLC will now show you a list of different aspect ratio choices. These options usually include common formats like 16:9, 4:3, and other display ratios depending on your version of VLC. Now simply click the aspect ratio that you want to apply to the video. The change happens immediately, so you don't need to restart the video or save anything. As soon as you select the new ratio, VLC will adjust the video frame right away. If the video looks better on your screen, then you've done it correctly. And if it still doesn't look quite right, you can always go back into the same menu and try a different aspect ratio until it fits the way you want. This is especially useful when you're watching older videos, screen recordings, or files that were exported in a different format. It's also a great way to quickly fix playback appearance without changing the original video file. So that's how to change the aspect ratio of a video in VLC in just a few clicks. Quick, easy, and instant. If this video helped you out, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss another helpful tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.